Compare number. Larger. Hello kids. I am so happy to have you back on another thrilling video of our outstanding math lessons. In today's lessons, we will learn how to compare numbers and pick out which number is larger. We will do this by calling out the larger number from the given numbers. Are you excited to get on this ride with me? Great! Let's begin. Which number is larger? Is it 1 or 3? Three is larger. 3 candies are more than 1 candy. Good. Which number is larger? Is it 2 or 1? Two is larger. 2 cookies are more than 1 cookie. Good. Which number is larger? Is it 2 or 3? Three is larger. 3 marbles are more than 2 marbles. Good. Let's continue. Which number is larger? Is it 1 or 10? Ten is larger. 10 rocks are more than 1 rock. Very good. Which number is larger? Is it 9 or 6? Nine is larger. 9 crayons are more than 6 crayons. Very good. Which number is larger? Is it 5 or 4? Five is larger. 5 pens are more than 4 pens. Very good. Let's continue. Which number is larger? Is it 10 or 20? Twenty is larger. 20 counting sticks are more than 10 counting sticks. Perfect. Which number is larger? Is it 18 or 15? Eighteen is larger. 18 markers are more than 15 markers. Perfect. Which number is larger? Is it 17 or 13? Seventeen is larger. 17 books are more than 13 books. Perfect. See you soon on our next video for more exciting math lessons.